Oh, I got one. I got my mom one, dude.
Oh yeah, nice. Hell yeah.
Small little black.
Yeah.
Woo.
Nice, man.
Nice. Let's toss him back. Little guy. Hell yeah.
Oh, mom, man.
Scared me. I thought you were on one too just now. Hell yeah. That's a nice rockfish. Little guy though. I was expecting bigger.
Yeah. Because of the hit?
No, because of the spot. Not bad. I'd say he's like a good, I don't know, 10 inches or so. Just release him. Nice. Little guy. Huh? Nah, I knew it was a little guy. It's pretty fun though, still. Hope that shit was recording over here.
What?
Hope that was recording over here. Yeah, it's cast hella lightly, dude. Can't get to that rock. No way. Did it stay? Did it stay? Maybe it's like, maybe your leader's not long enough. Maybe he's not deep enough. This hella bit it. I knew it was a bite, but it didn't take it. And I reeled in a little bit more, dropped it down, and it bit it again. It didn't bite it still. I think I got it on camera.
Maybe that's how I was.
Maybe. Did you try to set it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't try to set it. No. I mean, I wait till it bit hard before I set it. Nah, it's pretty distinct. Did it?
A little bit.
That one's hella more visible, huh?
Hell yeah.
You think it's something took it? Yeah, if you had a longer leader, I think I've got some 25-pound tests if you want to tie a long ass one. 30. feel like I've had more luck kind of just tossing it right in the kelp almost. Because I tossed that one right in the kelp right there. And then the other one I could toss it way out to the rocks where it's hella kelpy.
Yeah.
And I got hit there.
Where
I think that underwater footage from right here is going to look hella sick.
they at? Oh, it's for sure, right?
Yeah.
Wait for now.
Yeah, change out. Change the lure. I mean, change the weight. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it could be.
You know what happened if I put a 5-ounce weight with the bobber?
Poppers is gonna go down.
I know it's going to go down, but then you think it'll still like, it'll sort of float down there?
Yeah. I mean, they'll keep it straight up in the air.
I might try that. That sounds like a good idea.
Yeah, it's more. Yeah, it could be. More room to get snagged though.
Well, yeah, right. I could use bobber.
Oh, I'm getting hit. I just got hit. Let's see if he comes back, dude. Yep. Yeah, baby, got him. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, don't. Oh, did I lose him? No, I got him. Yeah, better black. Oh, just barely got his lip. Oh man, don't. Barely got his lip.
Oh yeah.
Nice, dude. Oh yeah. Look how I just got his lip like that. Toss him back. Nah,
Nah, it'll be bigger, yeah.
I don't know. Catch and release today. Another black. Another nice one. I just barely got his lip too. See that? I mean, this is good.